Hi, this is Kieran Roach from CoEvolve. Today we're going to show how we can use an Amazon Echo device to build a new SD-WAN Edge in an AWS VPC and connect to an existing server that's running there. This demo uses the VMware NSX SD-WAN by VeloCloud Orchestrator, an Alexa Skill, and an AWS Lambda function to establish the connectivity. Let's look at the components we have in the solution to begin with. This is the SD-WAN Orchestrator, and we're in the Monitor Edges component of this, where we can see that we've created an edge that we want to bring up in the AWS environment. We haven't configured it, we have made no attempt yet to activate the device, and during the demo we'll show how we can use the Amazon Echo device to bring up this new SD-WAN Edge. In our EC2 management console, we can see the only thing we've got running here is the web server, and this is going to simulate the server that's sitting in that VPC, and we're going to access it via its private IP when we try to connect to it. So it's accessible at 10.50.2.175, and you can see if we try to go to that, we don't have any connectivity to that IP address at the moment. So the first thing we're going to do is kick off the process by asking the Alexa device to enter into the application that we've written. And we'll do that by using the same invocation name that we had listed in the Alexa skill itself. Alexa, ask my cloud.
Welcome to the CoEvolve software-defined WAN demo. You can ask me to create an edge.
Create an edge.
Creating a new edge in Amazon Web Services. This will take a few minutes. Check your EC2 instances and VeloCloud Orchestrator for updates.
Goodbye.
Thank you for trying the CoEvolve demo. Have a nice day.
Okay, so what's happened now is it's triggered a couple of different actions. The first is to create the instance itself, and if we refresh our instances here, we'll see that we now have a new instance, which is the VCE, the SD-WAN Edge, that's been initiated in that VPC. So it's created a new edge which is running the SD-WAN software image, and it'll take a few moments for that to start up. What we'll see if we go into the orchestrator is we'll see a series of events. So you can see we've just received an edge activation, and the detail there is that it needs a software update, and that means that the activation is now happening in the background. The correct software image is being applied to the SD-WAN Edge, and it will restore itself back into the operational state then once the software update is finished. So we'll give that a few moments and we'll see the status being applied when it's finished. Here we can see the edge is now been activated and it's installed the requested software into the image itself. After a few minutes, you can see that the status of the edge in the orchestrator has changed, and we can now see that it has an active connection to the network. So it now shows as connected, and we can see that it has a single active link with the ISP name of Amazon.com, and it's performed some bandwidth testing to show that it's getting about 175 megabits per second in each direction. We don't have any usage yet because we've just activated the device, but you would start to see your various application traffic show up here after a few minutes. We can now switch to our test web server, and if we reload the page, we should see now that we're getting connectivity back to that application and we're accessing it over its private IP address. So hope you found this demo useful, and you can really see the potential of a software-defined network like this, where we can have all of the components connected together, but also have the chain of those events triggered by a simple software command that is using a voice interface in this case. We hope you enjoyed this demo. We'll be sharing more videos on a variety of topics in the near future.